when your Ryobi line trimmer runs out of line, there's no need to pull it apart. That's just going to lead to a bunch of problems. You may have trouble putting this thing back together. So don't take it apart. Leave it all together. Yeah, see, these are the problems. Okay, so now it's all back together. And what you're going to want to do is use the refill line that you can get at Home Depot where you get the Ryobi trimmer. And what I like to do is keep the re-threading tool or the spinning tool in with the extra lines. That way, I'm never looking for the thing and I don't have to restring this by hand, because that, you can do it, but it's no fun. So what you do is you get one of these bundles of line, you crack it open, you spread it out, and then you basically want to find the middle point. So these things are pretty long. I'm not sure how long they are, it doesn't say right here on the front, but yeah, make sure you don't get it tangled up like I did. Okay, so you have both ends of it right here, and you want to just stick it through the hole after you've lined up the arrows. You see the arrows, an arrow here on the black part, and then there's this arrow across the green part. When those are lined up, you can run that thread right through, pull it out the other side, and then you match it up with the other end, and you just pull both of those ends until all the line has gone through the head and balanced. You got an equal amount on each side. Then you take your winder tool and you put it on there and you give it a couple of turns, and then you separate the lines, let them run free, and then just hold the head while you turn this. Suck all that line in, wind it all up until you have just enough sticking out. I like that about right there. So they're almost even. This one's about an inch shorter than the other, but it's close enough because the line trimmer here is going to trim off the excess. And there you have it. Now you're ready to go out and trim again.